Hey, hello friends, it's Beena here. Today I'm going to show you really very cool hairstyle that you can do just in 5 minutes. So let's get started. Starting with first hairstyle, take a middle partition and make sure you don't have any knots in your hair. Now, take a vertical section and twist it tight and secure it with bobby pin. Now, take another section below it and twist it well. If you want some hair on your face, you can remove it and now secure it with bobby pin. Repeat the same thing on the another side. If you want, you can straight your hair or even you can add curls to your hair. It's perfect for your lazy days when you don't want to do much but want to look good. So you can do this hairstyle and carry yourself. So done with the hairstyle, this look damn amazing. I love it. Now starting with the second hairstyle, for that you need comb and rubbers. Starting with the hairstyle, comb your hair properly so you don't have any knots in your hair. Now take a middle parting and go till the end. Take a part of your hair and divide it into two sections. Let the first section go inward and twist it. Keep adding hairs to the section and twist it. Make sure you are not twisting it too tight because we want a loose pony. I remove some hair on my face because it makes my face look delicate. This hairstyle looks so cute. This hairstyle is very perfect when you don't want to keep your hair open but want to style your hair. So I have done with the hairstyle. Now I am just going to rubber it. Now I will open it a bit so it will look fuller. So done with one side. Now I am going to repeat the same thing on the another side. Girls who have very thin hair in front, what they can do, they can crimp their hair. So what will happen, that will add volume to their hair. So this hairstyle is so easy, you can just do it within 2 minutes. So I am done with the hairstyle. Starting with third hairstyle. For third hairstyle I am taking a triangle section from front. Make sure you are taking a equal section from both the sides. For that you can take a arch of your eyebrows guidance. Now comb your hair properly and do back combing. Back combing will add volume to your hair and make your puff stay for a longer time. Now comb your hair neatly and then secure your puff with bobby pins. This is the perfect way to do puff. This puff looks so perfect and so nice. Now we would start with the fourth hairstyle. For that I am taking some hairs from front. In this hairstyle I want to create a messy. In this it is half pony with bun. So I am taking the hair and now I will lose some hair from front. With my fingers I am just pulling few hairs. Now twisting the remaining hair and making bun out of it. Now securing the hairs with bobby pin. Now pull the hair properly to create a messy look. This hairstyle is very trending and very easy to do. Now for fifth hairstyle I am doing a side twist. For that I am taking a side partition, combing the hair properly and now taking a vertical section and twisting the hair. Now secure it with the bobby pin. Now take another vertical section and twist it properly. Now again secure it with the bobby pin. Repeating the same thing for the third time. So here I have done with 5 of the hairstyle. I hope you like the video and please do try this hairstyle. These are very easy, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon down. Thank you for watching the video.